G'day crew, Ross out here in the garden. Now if you've got an old stump like this, do you leave it, do you dig it out, or do you grind it out? And the answer to that is it depends on your situation. If it's not in the way, you can leave it where it is. It provides a home for little animals, insects, little lizards, fungi. It can look quite rustic. You can leave it high as a seat. You can even put pot plants on it. So multiple options. If however you want to landscape, pave, replant, it really has to go. Now a stump like this, if you're going to dig it out, you have to dig quite a way down and you have to dig out all the roots. At least you've got to cut the roots out to be able to get the stump out. But if you get a grinder, you can just take layers off, grind it only just below the surface, and you're pretty much good to go. You can put dirt back over top, it'll rot out fairly quickly. If you're going to replant directly in the space, you need to take out as much as you can. You're going to take it down about 12 inches or a foot, 30 centimetres, and that should allow you, with some new soil on top, to replant in the same space. If you're going to pave, maybe the same. In this instance, we're going to fire up the grinder and we're going to take this little one out, as well as 22 other stumps. It's going to be a busy day.